Good morning class. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on NMOS inverter and transfer characteristics. First of all, what is inverter? Inverter is the most fundamental logic gate which is used to perform a Boolean operation on a single variable input. The main advantage of using a MOSFET device as a load device is that the silicon area occupied by MOSFET is smaller than the area occupied by the resistive load. So inverter circuits with active loads may be designed to have overall better performance as compared to passive load inverters. These given below show as a NMOS transistor circuit symbols. First A figure shows the NMOS enhancement, B represents the NMOS depletion transistor, and last one is the PMOS enhancement transistor. The main comparison between the enhancement and depletion is that in enhancement transistor there is no channel is absent here, so first we create the channel, but in depletion channel has already exists in it between the drain and source, so the conductivity increases if we apply the positive input at the between the gate and source, and drain current is also increases at the output. Also, the basic inverter requires a transistor whose source connected to the ground terminal and one load resistor connected from the drain to the VDD, that is power supply, and the output is taken from the drain terminal and input is applied between gate and ground. This figure A represents the NMOS inverter and V equivalent circuit consisting of a nonlinear resistance. In figure A, NMOS inverter in which the enhancement type load resistance cannot be used. At a depletion time, NMOS transistor used as the. So next is the working of NMOS inverter. In the working operation of NMOS inverter, first point is that the IDS output current for both the transistor must be equal when no current drawn from the output, and second is the load device, that is depletion mode NMOS transistor. The gate terminal of this transistor is directly connected to the source terminal, so it is always open and VGS is equal to 0. And enhancement mode transistor act as a switch. Input is applied here, that is V input, and the output is taken from source and the gate and source, and second is connected to the ground terminal. And the depletion mode device is also called pull-up transistor, and the enhancement mode device is also called the pull-down transistor. Next is transfer characteristics. To obtain the inverter transfer characteristics, superimpose the VGS is equal to 0 of the depletion mode characteristic curve on the enhancement mode device, but the maximum voltage across the enhancement mode transistor corresponding to the minimum voltage across the depletion mode transistor, because VDS enhanced is equal to VDD minus VDS enhanced, that is equal to V output, and VGS is equal to V input. Points due to intersection give transfer characteristics. As shown in this figure, the points of intersection of the curve give points on the transfer characteristics. These are the transfer characteristics of NMOS inverter, in which the current begins to flow when V input exceeds the pull down transistor threshold voltage. The V output decreases and V input increases will cause pull down transistor to come out of nonlinearity, or gain is equal to ratio of output voltage to the input voltage. The point at which the V output is equal to V input is called inverter voltage. We can also shift the inverter voltage with the variation of ratio of pull up to pull down resistance, that is R pull up over R pull down. This next pull up to pull down ratios of NMOS inverter, in which pull up to pull down ratio can be calculated of NMOS inverter driven by the output of another NMOS inverter. So let us consider the depletion type transistor for which gate source voltage is equal to 0. We assume that NMOS inverters are in series input. Second, we already have been discussed about MOS device design equations, in which we have been calculated the value of IDS current in three regions like cutoff, saturation and non-saturation. In this derivation we use the saturation region. So both transistors are in saturation region, and IDS current, drain to source current, is equal to kW by L, VGS minus VTH whole square by 2. That is equation number 2. Here W is width, L is length, VGS is the input voltage between gate and source, VTH is the threshold voltage. So first, our pull-up transistor act as a depletion mode in which the VGS is 0. So the IDS current is equal to K into W pull-up over L pull-up into minus VTH D whole square by 2, because VGS is 0 here and W is replaced by W pull-up, because depletion mode transistor is also called pull-up transistor. And second one is enhancement mode transistor, in which the VGS input voltage is equal to inverter voltage, VTH is threshold voltage, W pull down is the enhancement mode transistor is also called pull down. That's why width is replaced by W pull down and length is replaced by L pull down. VGS is equal to V inverter voltage. So that is the equation number 4. IDS is equal to K W pull down over L pull down into V inverter minus VTH whole square by 2. So compare the equation number 3 and 4. W pull down over L pull down into V inverter minus VTH whole square is equal to W pull up L pull up over L pull up minus VTH D whole square. Now we know the R pull up is equal to L pull up over W pull up. Same way R pull down is equal to L pull down over W pull down. Therefore R pull down is equal to L pull down over W pull down, and R pull up, resistance of pull up transistor, is equal to length of pull up over width over pull up. So for equation number 5, it becomes 1 over R pull down into V inverter minus VTH whole square is equal to 1 over R pull up into minus VTH D whole square. By arranging the terms, it becomes V inverter minus VTH whole square over minus VTH D whole square is equal to R pull down over R pull up. That is equation number 6. Through this, we have to find out the value of V inverter. V inverter voltage is equal to VTH minus VTH D over under root R pull up over R pull down. Equation number 7. Now we have to put the values of different variables, that is VTH, VTHD, V inverter. So put VTHD, that is a depletion mode threshold voltage, is equal to minus 0.6 VDD. VTH is threshold voltage is equal to 0.2 VDD, and V inverter, that is already discussed, that is equal to VDD by 2 equal to 0.5 VDD. So by putting these values in equation number 7, it becomes 0.5 equal to 0.2 plus 0.6, minus into minus turns to plus 0.6 over under root R pull up over R pull down. By calculating the value of this, under root of R pull up over R pull down is equal to 2. So squaring both sides, R pull down is pull up is over R pull down is equal to 4 by 1. That is the ratio of R pull up resistor over R pull down, and ratio of pull up to pull down of NMOS inverter driven by the output of another NMOS inverter. This expression shows the of n for an NMOS inverter driven by another NMOS inverter. And that's all about the NMOS inverter, in which we discuss the various points like pull up, pull down resistor, depletion mode, enhancement mode transistor, and calculating the value of R pull up to pull down ratio. That is we have obtained equal to 4 by 1.